Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to Big Ed Kitchen Garden. Welcome to the YouTube channel guys. On today's video guys, I want us to talk about how to grow your peppers guys. So guys, this is a bell pepper that you see here guys. So I will doing an example with this type of pepper guys. This type of pepper guys is called Tabasco pepper guys. As you can see for yourself guys, this Tabasco pepper is ripe guys, but this plant here guys, it's a bell pepper here, and goes for these ones too guys. So they don't deliver these peppers guys. If you want to grow them, you can grow them in the same way guys. So for this example guys, we're going to be using this Tabasco pepper guys. So I want to show you how you can extract your seeds from any pepper that you have. So you do like this guys. As you can see for yourself, to know that your seeds are ripe guys, they have to be like this. You can only extract your seeds from a ripe pepper guys. So what you have to do guys, from now on, you can either choose to dry them or you can choose to plant them as they are guys. So you have to extract them like this. After extracting them guys, you can choose to dry them. After drying them guys, you can use them guys. So these beautiful seeds here guys, they are fully matured. After maturing guys, you know what to do guys. You can prepare your soil guys. After preparing your soil, you can plant them. So the technique that I want to use to plant these beautiful seeds right here guys is a simple method that I use on a daily basis guys. So whenever you plant your seeds guys, you have to have a measurement. So based on the measurement that I regularly use here guys, is to plant my seeds either based on 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter, depending on the texture of the soil. So what you have to do right now guys is to dig up your hole. After digging up your hole guys, you use your 1 centimeter, probably about this distance here. So normally it's this distance here between the finger. Let me see this one. Okay, yeah, this one, like this. Then you plant your seeds guys. Prepare your soil. After preparing your soil guys, and then you plant your peppers guys. Only from a red ripe pepper, you only get fully matured seeds that will be ready to be planted at any given time. Okay guys, right now I'm going to explain the process of pruning your plants guys. So pruning your plants guys helps to aid the growth of your green peppers guys. So normally guys, if you have a stem like this one and you have excess leaves here, then it shows to you that your plant will only produce at the top here. But if you break the stem here at the top here, it will cause you or give you enough branches. As you can see, this one guys, it's probably about 4 weeks old right now. It was growing here, in between here. I broke it. After breaking it guys, it produced double stems here. After producing double stems here guys, now we are ready to have bell peppers here guys. Remember, this is a bell pepper plant guys, and I'm using it for an example guys. So whenever you have a plant like this one here, you can break it here. I'm going to break this one here guys, so that when it grows, you will have a brand new branch that will be multiplied. As you can see guys, I cut it here. I know that it will be having a branch guys. As you can see, this little one here guys, it's ready for me to cut it here. Don't cut it much guys, as you can see, like this. Then I know somewhere between these vines here, we will have a brand new branch. Okay guys, what you have to do for these beautiful peppers guys is to water frequently. Leave the soil to be watered for 2 to 3 days guys, and then water again. 3 to 4 days water, 3 to 4 days water guys, and then after some few weeks, I know guys, our peppers will be freshly produced, and then from then guys, we are going to harvest them when they are red. They have to be red like this one to be harvested. You only harvest your peppers when they are red like this one. If you enjoy eating them green, you can also harvest them guys. it's your choice how you like your peppers, guys. But for me, guys, I prefer to eat them when they are like this, because I know that all the supplements, nutrients, they are fully matured in this pepper, guys. Okay, guys, for further explanation how the green pepper can help your immune system, guys, I will be leaving the details in the description below, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your support is much appreciated on this channel, guys. I will see you in the new video.